Just three AI stocks make up almost half of Warren Buffett's personal portfolio. In this video, I will tell you what three stocks those are. And at the end of the video, I will give you a little bonus sneak peek into Warren Buffett's most recent trade. And it's very interesting, so make sure you stay tuned for the video. But with that being said, let's jump right in. So Buffett has close to $1 billion in Snowflake. And for those that don't know, Snowflake is best known for its cloud infrastructure, which is built atop the most popular cloud infrastructure services. The big news in 2023 is Snowflake's addition of generative AI solutions to the data clouds of its vendors. In May, Snowflake completed its acquisition of Neeva, a company that was powered by generative AI and large language model technology. In addition to aiding customers in developing generative AI applications, Snowflake has partnered with NVIDIA, the graphics processing unit, GPU designer, and retailer, seen as the infrastructure backbone of high compute data centers. This partnership gives Snowflake users access to NVIDIA's high-powered GPUs. So obviously, this company has a massive advantage and is set up to really take market share and benefit greatly from this AI revolution, which has been, a common theme throughout the market. And it's why a company like NVIDIA has performed so well. And then the second largest holding is Amazon. Amazon uses AI for its online marketplace. For instance, the company uses AI to analyze what you would like to see and what you would possibly purchase on its site, and it puts those recommendations, in front of your eyes. Also, they utilize AI assistant Alexa, and they, funnel AI large language model information into that. So that kind of helps Alexa, be powered and make decisions and choices. But Amazon is also incorporating AI solutions into more than just its online marketplace. Cloud infrastructure service segment, Amazon Web Services, which is Amazon's core driver of operating cash flow and operating income, allows businesses to build applications with generative AI, as well as lean on machine learning solutions to improve customer interactions, similar to how Amazon's recommendation engine simplifies shoppers' lives. Through the first 6 months of 2023, AWS has generated $43 billion in sales, which is 16.6% of Amazon's net sales, and $10.5 billion in operating income. Every other segment for Amazon has collectively managed just $2 billion in operating income through the end of June, with enterprise cloud spending still in the early innings. The growth in AWS has the potential to power Amazon stock significantly higher. So AWS obviously was a very small segment of the company's revenue and income just a couple years ago, but that's really grown over the past couple years, which is awesome for the company. And, Amazon obviously isn't an AI pure play, but it definitely does have some AI optionality and could still benefit from this AI trend. Let's take a look at Warren Buffett's number one AI investment, and that is Apple. So you may be thinking, Apple's an AI company? Well, yeah, it's actually been using AI through its Siri since 2011. So this is over 10 years now. This company has been using AI for Siri, starting out in iPhone 4s. So voice command assistance has been commonplace on all Apple iPhones since 2011, with other smartphones following suit. But Apple's AI usage extends far beyond Siri. You can see machine learning technology being put to use in the way iPhone utilizes autocorrect and word suggestions in text, as well as its ability to identify pets from your photos, whereas Apple's machine learning solutions could previously only identify people. New photo recognition solutions powered by AI allows your cats and dogs even to be recognized by photos. AI is also paramount to the success of Apple Watch, and that watch was actually recently unveiled virtual and augmented reality Vision Pro s- headwear set, which is kind of crazy. So we have this new product, this new Vision Pro headset, which could really, benefit from AI. They could integrate some AI systems into that headset, which would be awesome. But as noted, Buffett and his team brought into the Apple growth story for markedly different reasons, right? Namely, they appreciate the global recognition of the brand, the loyalty of the customer base, and the incredible cash flow generated by the company. So Warren Buffett is really a huge fan of this capital return program from Apple, and that definitely is a large reason he's into the stock. But nevertheless, he still gets that AI benefit of Apple, and he's really set up here to be a major winner. As this AI revolution continues to gain steam. So Warren Buffett is definitely positioned totally to take advantage of this AI revolution. Don't fool yourself and think, oh, he's a value investor, so he only puts money into railroads and oil and gas. Nope, that is not true. He is definitely going to be making some money here as AI's total addressable market continues to grow. So awesome for Warren Buffett that he is, invested heavily in this AI space, and with kind of Snowflake being the closest pure play for AI. Obviously, Apple and Amazon do a lot of other things. I would say Snowflake is the closest pure play AI play for Warren Buffett. But with that being said, as promised, I will show you Warren Buffett's most recent stock move, and it might surprise you. So Warren Buffett had bought Occidental Petroleum Corp in late June, so almost a little bit over a month ago. He increased his position by 1%, so he bought about 12 million shares. And this hasn't this basically has been about a flat trade for him. But it's interesting to see that Warren Buffett is kind of front running these oil production cuts that we've seen from Saudi Arabia, right? So we've seen OPEC and other nations cut oil production, which has obviously bolstered oil and gas prices over the past week or so. So it's interesting to see that he kind of front ran that move higher that we've seen in energy prices. Maybe he knew something, maybe he didn't. But it is kind of cool to see him be successful in that call, right? I mean, it's Warren Buffett. It's I don't have to tell you he's been successful. His resume speaks for itself. So pretty cool to see that his most recent trade actually did kind of call a general move that we've seen in the market, which is higher oil prices. So interesting to see that. The Oracle's definitely still got it. So cool to see that there. That his most recent trade was a buy of Oxy in late June. With that being said, though, as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will end the video there. If you got some value from this video, please leave a like. We post company breakdowns and important market moving news on this channel on a daily basis, so make sure you are subscribed. If you would like to receive my daily portfolio moves, my exits, my entries, and see how me and my team of analysts are trading the markets, join the Discord through the link in the description below to get our free 7-day trial. Also, if you would like to join our free daily newsletter, sign up to our Substack, which is linked below as well. With that being said, good luck everyone. Happy trading, happy investing.